Hi. Um, I'm going to discuss the topic that I wanted to save for the later video blogs, but something happened and I'm going to do it now. Um, we were going home from school the other day and we were talking about something, I can't remember what, and this girl said, "Yeah, I get so depressed in emo style." And we're like, "Emo style? What? We don't get it." And she's like, "Emo style." And then again we said, "No, explain." She said, uh, "Well, I get so depressed, I almost want to cut myself." And then we're like, "Yeah, and how is that connected to emo? Those are two separate issues." And she said, "No, everyone knows that all the people who are emo cut." And me and my friend, we looked at each other, then looked at her, and we were like, "No, that's not true." She's like, "Yes, that's true." And my friend, she made it sound, and I can't really explain what kind of sound it was. It was a high-pitched scream, but very short and very loud. And everyone who was near turned to her to see what's wrong. It was funny. And then I said, "Wait, so a person can wear all pink and listen to pop and cut, and that makes a person emo?" And she's like, "No, you have to dress all in black and listen to depressing music and cut, and then you're emo." And then again, we're like, "No, that's not true because Linkin Park is depressing, and people who listen to Linkin Park aren't emo." And then she looked at us and said, "Well, in a way, they are." And again, I didn't get it, so I asked her how. She said, "Well, 90% of emos listen to Linkin Park." I have no idea if that's true, but I think it isn't. But I changed the direction of the topic, and I said, "Okay, so goths can wear all black, goths can listen to depressing music, goths can cut. That make goth emo because that doesn't make sense." And again, she's like, "Well, no, because emos wear other colors too, and goths wear all black." I disagreed with her on that too because goths can wear other colors too. So I told her that, and she was like, "No, goths wear all black all the time." And I said, "But wait, that's not true. That just isn't true. There are different types of goth, and very few of them actually wear all black all the time." And then she's like, "No, I think my brother knows better than you." And with that, she turned away and gone home, and I went home too. I just don't get it how people can make such stereotypes based on nothing, really. But yeah, bye.